How to create Google Sheet desktop shortcut on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheet on your Chrome. Then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down to You Find, Cast, Share, and Save. Then click on Create Shortcut. Click on Create. You can also customize the name. And you have created shortcut. You'll find this shortcut on your PC. Simply click on it and your Google Sheet will open. And that's how you create Google Sheet desktop shortcut on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.